Welcome back once again, and we are going to continue with the tutorials. My name is Amakwenes, the founder of Irida Digitals and Cloud Host Ghana. Okay, so right now I'm on my dashboard right now. Let me close all these logins. So right now, this is the sample site. Look at this where we are, and this is the. Let me see. I will close this. Let me close this rather. Okay, so right now I'm going to log in, go to edit with Elementor. Okay, good. So in our last video, we ended here. Okay, we ended here. In our last video, we ended here, and let me show you something. If you do remember, during that video, that when I was trying to add these, we were facing challenge. Okay, that is, we were finding difficult. This one was not, you want this one to be at the left align, but it was on the center align, and I didn't know what was going on. But later, after that video, I was going through the platform. Then I realized that the problem was the additional CSS that we added. Okay, good. That was the problem. Let me open it here. First, let me go to the new tab here. So I'll go to, let me bring it here. I'll go to customize. If you do remember, we went to customize and we added additional CSS. Okay, so if you do remember, I taught you how to use the CSS to change this menu colors and also the manual way of doing it. Okay, good. So if in case you have that additional CSS, remove it, because that was the problem why this one was not working for us. Let me see if I still have the code here, the WooCommerce code. Let me copy all of them. So I'll copy that, and let me paste it here. And you see, after doing that, you see right now, I hope you can see the position now. Okay, so let me do it in this way. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this in the new. Okay, so I don't know why now the settings has changed. Why I'm having this one here is supposed to be on top here, the breakpoint, and I'm supposed to have, I think, I don't know, the Elementor what has. Okay, by the way, let's proceed. Okay, so you see, if I close here right now, you see right now it's here. Okay, and I don't like that. Let me copy this and open it here for you to see what I'm talking about. Okay, so look at this one. So look at the position now. So if you have it here, I would advise you to just delete it from there, so that and use the manual settings to do it. Okay, so this program, I think I said in the video that I will find a way to resolve that, and I have done that. Okay, so let us continue. Now let's come back here. Okay, this is the Elementor interface. Okay, that's the reason. So let's come back here. Here we are going to make sure that this hero section is responsive. So let me check here. So let me go back here, and I think it's okay, still responsive. And let me go to that too is still responsive. Let's go here. In case if you realize that it's not responsive, then you can just adjust it. Okay, let me go here and let's see. Okay, and it's responsive. Okay, good. You see, we have, in case yours is too close here, just click here, come back to advanced. Then this is what you need to do. All that you need to do is click here, then you leave a gap. Okay, or you can even click here. You click the first container, the top one, the first one. You come to advanced here, then you can check this first, then you leave. You see, you have 70 here, just to leave a space here. But you see, this one is left aligned on mobile, and I don't like that, so I can just click here, go to star, then you click here the center one just to position this one at the center. If this one is also like that, you can just do the same to position that. And the button too, you can also make sure that it's center aligned. Okay, apart from that, everything is okay. So you have to adjust it. If this, for instance, you can see that this, the text here, I don't like it this way. I want the two of them to be on the same line, so I'll just click here and reduce it. You just have to, it's 50 here, so I will make it something like 40. Let's see, so 40 is okay. I will and as you can see, this one on this device, I don't like it at all. And later I will show you, after this video, I will show you how to do that. It's customized. Okay, and the rest is okay. Only this one is not looking good, but okay, good. So we are done with that. Now in our next video, we will look at how to design this part. Okay, how to design this part. So all that I can say for now is thank you for watching. Bye bye.